Mrs. Olsen's Wretched Repair Shop! Hello, welcome back. I'm gonna walk you through what to do when your band students' glasses are really broken. Disclaimer, I'm only even attempting to do this because this student's parent and I work together and we are friends, so I know I will not get screamed at. So we're gonna liquid nails these glasses together. Now, as you may know, liquid nails sometimes solidifies in the opening. This looks like it's still liquid, so I'm gonna get some sort of screwdriver. Okay, we got this. Also, my life mate is an optician, so that totally makes me qualified for this, right?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't get the kiddos in the shocks and I can't use the video, because they're minors. Okay.
But my mom gives you permission.
How do you know that for sure?
Yeah.
That's really solidified. We're not gonna use that. We're gonna get some fresh goop. There we go. Fresh goop. Oh, that smells.
Like
Smells
what?
good. I like that kind of smell.
This is gonna look great, Dunk.
I can tell.
Okay. And then we're
I
gonna
can see by
smush. We're making a video. Hold on.
Get out. Get
Oh,
out.
that looks great.
just get
It's got a nice gelatinous ridge. Wow. That looks good. Just don't get Tucker in there. Okay. Then we're gonna take these two mugs and we're gonna.
Your face here.
Okay. Now here's the issue, Dunk. You're gonna have to wait for these to.
Dry.
It's okay.
Oh,
How
I
long
don't-
does it take to dry? Because we
I
have
don't
3
know.
minutes.
Well,
You just give me a pass.
I don't think this is actually helping.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna let it sit there and hope for the best. And that's how you attempt to fix glasses. Okay, bye.